Hi friends, my name is Dr. Mitali Upadhyay. I am a homeopathic consultant and a healing therapist and in practice in Pune for more than 23 years now. Today I am talking to you as a cancer consultant as well as a cancer winner. Yes, in June 2013 I was diagnosed with fourth stage ovarian cancer. I had a huge football size tumor growing inside my body about which I was completely unaware. MRI, sonography and the blood test confirmed that there was a huge tumor growing inside my body. My surgeon just gave me a time of 1 week to put myself on the operation table and get the tumor out of my body. And even as I lay on the operation table, I was very much clear in my mind that I would not be going ahead with the recommended chemotherapies and radiotherapies by my surgeon. My understanding, being an homeopath for last 20 years, was very clear. I believed that my disease was my body's manifestation. And if my body has created this disease, my body's immune mechanism also has the ability to uncreate this disease. I had tremendous trust in my body's healing mechanism to heal me out of my disease. As homeopaths, we always believe that whenever the body falls sick, any illness, any disease is a body's mechanism to ask for help. It is a body's cry for help. It is the body that is communicating to us through our illnesses, through our signs and symptoms, that it is not well and it needs help. I realized that I needed to help my body to heal itself, then make use of drugs from outside, which would be more toxic to me in my healing. With this understanding, I decided to adopt mind-body healing techniques and mind-body healing therapies like the journey, EFT, past life regression, inner child work, NLP, which help to work with my mental as well as emotional and psychological problems. I guess all of you would understand that when we live a life of 20, 30, 40 years, there's a lot that is happening in our life. There are lots of ups and downs that we have to experience in our life. Whatever negative things that happen in our life are held in our body in the form of negative traumas and negative emotions. Eventually, this causes a tremendous amount of stress on our body, leading to our body turning into an acidic environment. As the stress creates more acidic environment, the cells of our body feel threatened. Naturally, the cells also want to live, they also want to survive, and as a result, the cells start mutating themselves and they undergo a change at the DNA level. This is exactly what is happening when our body starts producing cancer cells. The body is fighting the acidic medium that is created in our body for whatever various reasons. In today's world, one of the most important reasons is stress, is negative emotions, and negative traumatic memories that we have stored within us. So my first line of treatment during coming out of my cancer was working with different tools and techniques to heal these negative traumas and these negative emotions that were stored inside my body. I was lucky that to meet the right kind of people, with the help of which I was able to work on my mind and release these negative emotions, these negative memories, which had a negative impact on my body. Apart from that, what I realized was that positive affirmations, guided visualizations, mind mapping, giving good positive autosuggestions to our body and to our healing system as to what it should do and how it should heal ourselves is equally important. Hence, I also incorporated affirmations, mind-body healing, guided visualizations. I also incorporated mind mapping, writing and saying positive affirmations, Techniques like gratitude, which were useful for me to release even more of my negativity, create a more positive, healthy atmosphere inside my body, which was what was necessary for the body to heal and for the cancer to get completely cured out of my body. While I was doing this, I also started with the ancient techniques of Ayurveda and of Ashtanga Yoga, that is pranayam, yogasanas, Surya Namaskar, and meditation. These are the basic foundation pillars of Ayurveda and of our Indian traditional medicine. The impact and the help of these techniques has been immense. It has been 5 years now that I am completely cured of my cancer. Every year I undergo my tests, I undergo my PET scan, I undergo my CA125 as well as my sonography. And every year my reports are normal. So I can definitely say that working on the mind is one of the most important aspect when it comes to healing from any lifestyle disease, especially when it comes to management and treatment of cancer. To know more about these mind-body healing techniques, I would ask you to visit Holistic Clinic or to visit my website www.drmitaliupadhyay.com. You can also visit my Facebook page or my LinkedIn page. You can find my videos on YouTube and feel free to connect with me for any more information that you would like to know on holistic approach to cancer management. In our further videos, we would also talk of other approaches which would involve diet and nutrition, various other different causes for cancer, and how one can go about healing cancer with confidence and not allow any place for fear to be a part of our life. Thank you for listening to me. See you soon.